So we are back in Disneyland Park for day 2. It's gonna be a short vlog for this one because Disneyland is closing at 8 o'clock tonight for a special event, Star Wars Night, which we are attending, but we'll have that as a separate video. So we're just gonna enjoy the park for roughly, 4 to 5 hours until we head back to the hotel to get ready for Star Wars Night. And we have a long night till 1 a.m. So let's go. Walking down the middle of Main Street, USA again. And we do have Genie Plus again today, so Becky just made a Splash Mountain one for 120, so we got a little time to kill until Splash Mountain. It's a little hot right now, so it's actually kind of nice that we're going to Splash Mountain today. Be a little refreshing, cool us down. The first food stop of the day, the milk stand.
Yeah, they have a special milk with like a swirl flavor, and they call them candy pebbles. I'm pretty sure it's just nerds. But so, and Marcus got the
ration bread.
Polystarch puff bread.
Right.
I think it's supposed to be like the ration bread from the latest Star Wars trilogy that Ray eats.
Yep, so let's go get it. Okay, so blue milk's required. It's literally just nerds.
Alright, move on. Stop.
Uh-oh.
We're tracking an unauthorized transmission feed. Shut it down, civilian.
Okay, we'll do.
Affirmative.
Okay. Uh-oh, we're in trouble. We're in trouble. It's a blue milk nerd.
Patrols.
Uh-oh.
What's happening over there?
Yeah, too much is happening.
Anyone, everyone. If you find someone is helping our enemy, you will bring them to me. I will deal with them myself. Understood?
This tastes like a croissant to me.
Move out. Single one of you is a suspect.
Yeah, just a croissant.
So Becky and I both agree. I think we like the regular blue milk better. I actually had to get a spoon and kind of push all the syrup down and all the nerds to the bottom of the cup. So it doesn't really mix well. Maybe we should have got a straw and done that earlier and spun it. Oh well. So my family's here too. And they just got a cheddar broccoli and a bread bowl from Harbor Gallery. That was a very big bread bowl. I hope you're hungry.
I am.
And Harbor Gallery is right here. Haunted Mansion is right over there with Splash Mountain right behind. And we are actually sitting right next to the sailing ship Columbia. Time to go to the Crash Patch on Splash Mountain. Lightning Lane entrance. Splash Mountain.
Oh yeah, I'm sure they would be avoiding that.
Unlike Disney World, Splash Mountain's log seat one in a row. One by one. You gotta like straddle the log.
What?
Ready, Becky?
Well, that's just where you're going.
The second one was a lot worse.
My eye in front of my body.
Yeah, that's it.
That was terrifying.
Oh, we're all so white in the sun.
This was a mistake.
Mistake. So I think Becky needs to buy some shorts because we got the first and second row on Splash Mountain and we are completely like drenched. Like, look at that. Becky, walk up there. She's not wearing dark blue jeans, by the way. They are light blue. How you feeling, Becky?
They're so heavy. I'm gonna have to buy shirts and shorts somewhere because I'm not gonna be comfortable like this.
I think I'll dry out. I was in the second row, so I wasn't too bad, but
it wasn't even the last drop. It was the second one.
Second one inside.
It came up and over my head. Like, even I thought sticking my hair in the back of my shirt would save my hair, but it came up and over, landed on my head, landed on the front of my shirt, landed all over my leg.
Now she changed her clothes. So after Splash Mountain, we're gonna go into Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki room.
1, 2, 3.
Wake up, Jose!
What is this, senorita? My siestas are getting shorter and shorter. Welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki room. Hey, Michael, mi amigo, pay attention, it's show time.
Pierre, you rascal, you. Let's put on the show.
My good friend, Fritz. Ach, du Lieber, I almost fell out of my upper perch.
Tropical hideaway, you lucky people, you.
With both hands.
And now, senors and senoritas, please place your eyes into the center of the room, that is.
Now we present direct from the islands a musical luau.
You're gonna see it's our destiny, 'cause you got a friend.
Okay, so we have left Disneyland Park and we're gonna head to Earl of Sandwich for a little lunch before we head back to the hotel to prepare for Star Wars.
I'm shocked at how busy it is.
It's a Monday.
It doesn't feel like it.
No, it doesn't. It's rather busy, but maybe that's because of Star Wars Night.
That doesn't make sense to me.
I don't know.
Usually the day of like a special ticketed event is not going to be as busy because people are like, oh, I'm getting less time in the park, I'll just go to the other one. But
Well, maybe everybody had that idea.
I don't know.
So Earl of Sandwich is the first like restaurant when you enter downtown Disney, even before the World of Disney. So we're gonna stop in, get a sandwich. The Earl of Sandwich. There's a pizza in here. Interesting. But I'm not gonna get pizza. I'm gonna get a sandwich. So here's the menu for Earl of Sandwich. It may not be the prettiest looking sandwich, but it looks delicious to me. I think Disneyland is trying to make me cry by playing the final like illumination song from Epcot, which I missed so much. Wait for it, Becky. Wait for it. Here it comes. New frontier, we go on. Now the globe is opening up. Right now. Oh yeah, here it goes. It's spinning. It's spinning.
Glorious.
It's spinning.